Hello students, today I will tell you addition of like and unlike fractions. So first of all, addition of like fractions. Like fractions are the fractions with same denominator. Suppose I have taken 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. We have to add these fractions, so we will write 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Here 2 by 7 means 2 parts of 7 and 3 parts of 7. So denominator will be 7, 2 plus 3, and the answer is 5 by 7. So it's quite easy to add like fraction or subtract like fractions. But the problem arises when the fractions are unlike fractions. So addition of unlike fractions. So unlike fractions means, as I have told you earlier also, that unlike fractions are the fractions with different denominators. Suppose I have taken one fraction 1 by 2, the other one is 2 by 3, then the other one is suppose 3 by 4. We have to add these fractions. So what will we do? 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Now here the denominators are different, so we can't add these directly. So to add unlike fractions, we need to take LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. So this is our first step to take LCM of the denominator. Now the next, let's take the LCM of 2, 3 and 4. Divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 is not divisible by 2, 2 twos are 4. Now we are left with these prime numbers. You can say prime factors also. So multiply these numbers, you will get the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12. Now, so our fraction was 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Now the LCM is 12. Remember that this LCM must be divided by denominator, and whatever the answer we will get, multiply by numerator. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 6 multiplied by 1 is 6. Now the second, what to do? 12 divided by 3. 3 4s are. So answer is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Now 12 divided by 4, the answer is 3. So 3 multiplied by 3, the answer is 9. Now 6 plus 8, 14 plus 9, 23 upon 12. So this is the addition of unlike fractions. Now you see the numerator is greater than the denominator. So it means it is an which fraction? Improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. So an improper fraction can be converted into which fraction? Into mixed number. So we know this method, how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. We can do it by division method. Now 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So 24 is greater than 23. Let us divide by 12. So remainder is 11. So how we write this in mixed number? Quotient remainder upon divisor. Always remember, when improper fraction is converted into mixed number, we write it like quotient then remainder. Then here quotient is 1, remainder is 11, and the divisor is 12. So we got the answer 1 into 11 upon 12. So this is our answer in mixed number. I hope you understand. But again I will give you one more example to make it clear. Let's take one more example. Now I am taking mixed numbers, not the simple proper fractions. Let's take it 1 2 by 5 plus 3 1 by 7 plus 4 1 by 2. Now all these numbers are mixed numbers. Let's convert these into improper fraction. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 upon 5. Here 7 3 is 21 plus 1. 4 2 is 8 and 1 9. Now you see all the denominators are different. So we have to take LCM of these denominator. Now students, these all are prime numbers. These are not divisible by any common table. So there is no need to divide. We just multiply all these three numbers. 5 sevens are 35, 35 twos are 70. So our LCM is 70. Again I am explaining. Do remember, whenever the numbers are prime, there is no need to divide. Just multiply them and you will get the LCM. Now our first step was to convert into improper fraction. Then take LCM. Now same like unlike fractions, proper unlike fractions. Here the denominator is 70. So divide by the LCM is 70. So divide LCM by the denominator and whatever the answer is there, multiply by the numerator. 70 divided by 5, it is 14. 14 5s are 17. So 14 7s are 98. Those who know tables well, they will do it very quickly. 7 10s are 70. So 10 20 220. 70 divided by 2, it is 35. So 35 multiplied by 9. 9 5s are 45. 4 9 3s are 27 and 4. So it is 315. Now we need to add all these numbers. Those who can do it by quick multiplication method, as I have explained many a times in class, add the unit numbers. 1 1 2 2 4 9 13. 3 1 4 and 2 6. 5 5 and 8 13. If we add like this, 1 1 2 2 4 4 and 9 13. 3 1 4 2 6. Now here we got that numerator is greater than denominator. So again we need to convert this into mixed number. So we will divide 633 by 70. 7 9s are 63. So we can divide it by 9's table. 630, remainder is 3. So how we need to write it in mixed number? It is 9 3 by 70. This is our final answer. I hope you understand it. Thank you.